Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a special stitch. It looks like block but it's not a normal block, but these blocks are made with front post double crochets on the single crochet. And for this particular pattern we'll be using the chains, we'll be using the single crochets, we'll be using the double crochets. Okay, and it's a very nice pattern and it gives a nice texture also to the project that you make. This requires 3 plus multiples of 3 plus 2 chains as the foundation. This particular swatch I worked with cyan green hobby store 100% premium acrylic and tipil iron yarn, which is medium weight 4 and its color code is 2022, and it's a 5-ply yarn, and I used my 5.5 mm clover amour hook. So I'll make the necessary number of chains and get back to you. I'll be demonstrating with the same color yarn. I have taken 5 multiples of 3 and 2 extra chains. So start making a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 2 and skip 2, skip 2 chains, 1 single crochet in the next, again chain 2, skip 2, place 1 single crochet. So you're placing single crochet in every third chain with the spacing of 2 chains. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. So come to the end, ideally left with 3 chains. So chain 2 and skip 2, place 1 single crochet here. Now turn you can chain 3 and turn your work. This chain 3 counts as your DC, but I will be placing my twisted standing double crochet, pull up to the height, twist, insert in the stitch here, pick up. Your first DC standing twisted double crochet is done. Place 2 double crochets in chain 2 space. Then a front post double crochet on the SC here, under the SC. So you're going to make the post stitch here. Then 2 double crochets in chain 2 space. So you're placing your FPDC on the SC. And place a DC on the first single crochet here. Row 3 is again your SC row and chain row. So chain 1, turn your work, place 1 single crochet in the very first stitch, chain 2, skip 2 DC, single crochet in the next, chain 2, skip 2 DC, single crochet in the next, continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. So ideally your single crochets will fall on the FPDCs that you did. And single crochet in the last DC. Again chain 3 and turn, or make a standing double crochet here. So So this pattern is a 2-row repeat. Repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern. Your front post double crochets are worked on the SCs and not in the previous row FPDC. Two DCs under the chain 2 spaces. And place a DC on the last stitch here. This is how it looks. So this is a sample swatch. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload. Have a great day friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.